Today our topic is arithmetic instruction. So what is arithmetic instruction? An instruction which is used to manipulate data using operator is known as arithmetic instruction. So to manipulate data using operator. Operator requires operands, that is data here, to perform certain operations. So these are operand and this is operator. So 3 and 4 here operand and plus is operator. So operator requires operands to perform certain operation. Here the operation is plus, addition, and the operator is plus. For example, 3 plus 4 is an expression with one operator and two operands. Operator is plus and 3, 4 are operands. On the basis of number of operands required to perform operation by the operator, we can classify them as number 1 unary operator, number 2 binary operator, and number 3 ternary operator. So, on the basis of number of operands required, we classify these three type of operators. Unary operators are those which require on one operand. Binary operator requires two operands, whereas ternary operator requires three operands to perform their task. But remember, there is no BODMAS rule in C language to remember priority of operators. In case of arithmetic, we already know there is, in case of any equation, we already know that there is, in mathematics, there is BODMAS rule. First bracket, then OR, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. In this way, an equation is solved. But in case of C language, there is no BODMAS rule to remember the priority of operators. Some ins and outs. C allows only one variable on the left hand side of is equal to, that is Z equals to K into L is legal because on the left hand side there is one variable, whereas K into L equals to Z is illegal. Arithmetic operation can be performed on ints, floats and character also. How? If I declare character x, y and int z, and in x I store character A and y I store character b, and when I write z equal to x plus y, actually the ASCII value of A and ASCII value of B will be added. So ASCII value of small a is 97 and ASCII value of small b is 98. So the result is 97 plus 98. No operator is assumed to be present, it must be written explicitly. Means in mathematics, if I want to multiply, we just write this dot C into D into B, then bracket, then XY. But in case of mathematics, it is okay. But in case of C, you have to write this into operator, means this star explicitly. No operator is assumed here. There is no operator for performing exponentiation operation. So these are wrong. Types of operators. Next, we have to learn unary operators, arithmetic operators, bitwise operators, relational operators, logical operators, conditional operator, and finally assignment operator. Today we will learn unary operators. Unary operators. These operators require only one operand to perform their operation. So in case of unary operator, these operators require one operand. Types of unary operators are unary minus, increment, decrement, not, and size of. So unary minus symbol is only one minus, then increment, plus plus, decrement, minus, then not, and size of operator. Unary plus and unary minus. These are not addition or subtraction operators, but they are unary plus and unary minus used to indicate sign of a number. So when it is minus 3 or it may be plus 5. The minus operator changes the sign of its argument A positive number becomes negative and the negative number becomes positive in case of minus operator. See, for example, int a equals to 10. If I write int b equals to minus a, then value of b becomes minus 10. So this minus operator is used for making positive number negative and negative number positive. Unary minus is different from subtraction operator. So there is some difference between unary minus and subtraction. Minus means just change the sign, and subtraction operator requires two operands. So it is binary operator. Increment operator, the symbol is plus plus. Increment operator increases value of the operand by 1. Means what? See this program. Here x is a variable containing the value 3 initially. Now if I write x plus plus means value of x will be incremented by 1. It is same as x equal to x plus 1. Means 3 plus 1 is stored in the variable x, or it is same as x plus equals to 1. This is called shorthand operator. This operator we will learn this thing later. So x plus plus means value of x will be increased by 1. So when I print the value of x, it becomes 4. In the next step, increment operator is used to increase its value by 1. The updated value of x is now 4. So the output of this program is 4. So see, when we run the program, we see the output. It is 4. You can also use operator before operand. See here, int x equals to 3. I initialize x, value of x by 3, then plus plus x, and then printf %dx. So can you tell me what is the value of x? Think for 5 seconds. Yes, the value of x is, that is the output of the program is 4. Here the output of the program is also 4. Both the styles of using increment operator x plus plus is called post increment and plus plus x is called pre-increment, have the same function but with different priorities. So x plus plus and plus plus x have the same function but with different priorities. Pre-increment has high priority among all the operators, but post-increment has the least priority among all the operators. Even post-increment priority is less than the assignment operator. So pre-increment has the high priority, always remember, and post-increment has the lowest priority. Even it less than the assignment operator. But you have to remember, you cannot use constant as an operand of increment or decrement operator. For example, plus plus 3 or 3 plus plus is not valid. Post increment operator plus plus. See one example. There are two integer variable I declare. One is x, another is y. Both are integer variable. So initially x contains 3. I initialized x by 3. Now if I write y equals to x plus plus means what? Post increment operator has lower priority than assignment operator. Thus, first assignment operator works, then plus plus works. So first the value of x will be copied to y, then the value of x will be incremented. I repeat, because post increment operator has a lower priority than assignment operator, that is equal to, so first the value of x will be copied to y, then the value of x will be incremented. So now after copying, the both value of x and y both contains 3. Now increment operator works on x. So the value of x becomes 4. Now when I want to print the value of x and y, it becomes 4 and 3. Pre-increment operator plus plus. I am taking the same example. I am taking two integer variable x and y, and initially x contains 3. Now when I write y equals to plus plus x means what? Because pre-increment operator has higher priority than assignment operator, thus value of x is incremented to 4 first. then these x will be assigned, these value will be assigned to y. First x contain 4. When value of x is copied to y, because at this moment value of x is 4, so value of y is also 4. When I want to print, it will print 4, 4. Now the decrement operator. Like increment operator, there is decrement operator, post decrement operator and pre decrement operator. The job of decrement operator is to decrease value of the operand by 1. Just like increment operator, decrement operator can be used either before operand or after operand. If it is before operand, then it is pre-decrement. If it is after operand, then it is post-decrement operator. Priority of pre-decrement operator is high among all the operators and priority of post-decrement operator is least among all the operators. Now tell me what is the output of this program and what is the output of this program. Think for 5 seconds and tell me. Yes, the output of this program is 2, 3 and the output of this program is 2, 2. Can you tell me what is the output of this program? Do it by yourself. Tell me what is the output of this program. I am waiting for your reply. Think for 5 seconds. Now I will discuss. See, when we run the program, this is the output. Why so? Firstly, there are two integer variables x equals to 3 and a. I initialize x by 3 and a. Now when I write a equals to x plus plus, then which operator has lower priority here? Plus plus operator has lower priority here. So first the value of x is assigned to a. So what is the value of x? It is 3. So value of a is 3. So when I print a becomes 3. See the first one, it is 3. Now after assigning these plus 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 works, so what is the value of x now? It becomes 4. So it is 4. Now what is the value of 4? What is the value of x? It is 4. Now when I write a equals to plus plus x, what is the value of x? Last it is 4. So plus plus x and equals to. So which operator has higher priority? This plus plus. So x is incremented, x becomes 5. These 5 is then assigned, then assignment operator works. So these 5 then assigned. So what is the value of a now? It is 5. And what is the value of x? It is also 5. So the output is 3, 4, 5, 5. Our next problem is this. Try to do it yourself, then I will discuss. Think for 5 seconds. I am waiting. See here. First run the program. See here. First, here I declare two variables x and a. X is initialized by 3. Now when I write a equals to minus minus x means what? Which operator has higher priority? Minus minus operators, because it is pre-decrement operator. So minus minus operator has higher priority. So 3 becomes 2 here and then 3 becomes 2 here and then these 2 will be assigned to a. So when I print a and x both are 2. Now after that a equals to x minus minus. So which operator has higher priority? Here, because it is post decrement, so first equal to works. Equal to has higher priority. So first value of x will be stored to a, then x will be decremented. So value of x will be stored to a means what is the value of a now? It is also 2. Then x will be decremented. So when I want to print the value of x, it becomes 1. Now these are your homework. Try to solve this problem and answer me in the comment section what is the output of this program. Pause your video, try to solve this problem and answer me in the comment section what is the output of the program. I am waiting for your reply. for getting more and more updates, please subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.